It's JDCap26 here, just say tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we've got this Benchy here, but I'm not going to reveal what the Benchy is until you watch the video. So you'll have to watch the video. But you know what we're going to do? I'm going to show you that we're going to size this, okay? So we're going to click on it, right click, and we'll put a box around it, okay? And it's set to my printer, which is a Bamboo X Carbon 1. And we're going to go to this thing right here, which is scale. And we're going to scale it up in millimeters, and I think we're going to scale it up. Let's try 200% and see what we get. That's a little bit too big, so let's go 185 and then put in the box and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and I think that'll be good. And I don't think we have to do any supports in this, but we're going to slice it up here. See the slice plate? So let's slice the plate. We'll see if we come up with any errors down here. They show up down here in orange, okay? So it's slicing away. This print may take all day. We don't know. But you're not have to wait that long, so don't worry about it. And it's still generating. It looks like it's generating support, okay? So supports must be turned on for this model. And it's almost done, almost done. It's got about 1,156 layers. And it's thinking, and it's going to take, well, 14 hours to do. So we are going to print that. And I think we have enough filament. If we don't, we'll switch it over to another color and then spray paint it afterwards. So we're going to print that. It's going to go to the printer. It's under white, and we're going to make it white. What will happen is, if I have to switch it to another color and say it's orange to finish the print, I'm going to take the whole model and spray paint it white again, because that's what I want it to be, the color. So there it goes, and we'll see the next video, or we may continue in this video. So I think we'll continue in this video. It's the ghost, Benchy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.